Hi guys, like in previous video we have done the we have done the circulatory system, and I have told you about it. Till the blood and oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Now we will continue it after that. If you want to see my previous video, go to my channel, view it, and you can watch it from there, the first part. Now it's the last, means the second part. So now we will talk about the branches of circulatory system. Yeah, what? The branches of circulatory system? I have never learned or heard. Why? Why we forget about it? Let me tell. We forget about it because we even don't know about it. So let's start. The branches of circulatory system is also called the double circulation. Why? Now the question can also come in your mind that what is a double circulation? So let me tell you. The double circulation is a system in which blood passes through the heart 2 times during one complete circulation. This whole process is called double circulation. So let us now know the types of double circulation. Types. What comes in your mind? Types. The types can be systematic and pulmonary. Systematic, it shows the system. Pulmonary, it shows the vein type thing. Don't you think pulmonary? It's like when I heard the word pulmonary, I thought they are talking about a pipe we use to join the water, like the pipe we use to join the upper from down portion in our home, like that type. You can say that. Now, systematic circulation. What is it? It is a heart to the body. Means it is a process start from the heart and end on to the body. This and the second is pulmonary circulation. It starts from the heart to the lungs. Let me tell you. Like here you can see deoxygenated. Wait a second. Like here, this systematic circulation diagram and pulmonary. Here you can see first the blue color. You can see blue color. You can see first you can see there the blue color vein move to the lungs. What is this process called? This process is called the pulmonary. And after that, from lungs, because first the blue color was of deoxygenated vein. Now from that lungs to now something comes back from lungs to the heart. This process is called the pulmonary. Now something moves from heart to the human body and move back to the heart. This process is called the systematic. Now move to the next. Bone marrow and diffusion. Bone marrow. What do you think bone marrow means? Can anybody tell me? Bone marrow. So easy, yaar. What is confusing in this bone marrow? Okay, let me tell you. Touch your nose at upper side. You can feel it's like something bone there, and at the lower side is something soft. This soft thing is called the muscle of the nose, and it is combined with 2 holes in our nose. These 2 holes are called nasal. These 2 holes are called nasal, from where the oxygen in and carbon dioxide come out. The oxygen in process is called inhalation, and the oxygen out process is called exhalation. We will learn it in the next video. I have made on the respiratory system. Please go to my channel and view that video. So now the respiratory system, I would like to tell that the respiratory system I will tell you in my next video. So bone marrow, like I have told you, touch your nose. So at the above of nose, you can see something hard is there, bone type. So this bone is called the bone marrow. It produces blood cells. What? Blood cells. What? Blood cells. Now the word is used diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of gases in capillaries. Boring, boring, boring. Diffusion, you can say, stands for boring. Okay, fine. Now, diffusion is the movement of gases in capillaries. Like in previous video, I have told you that capillaries are the process in which the gas exchange occurs. So in next like that it is. Now I learned the circulatory system of fish. The circulatory system of fish is two-chambered hearted. So now I want to tell you one thing is that when any animal has two-chambered heart, that animal is called the single circulation. That animal circulation is called the single circulation. The blood passes through gills once per cycle. Here we use the word gills instead of lungs because the fish don't have lungs. We say to their lungs gills. Gills. Now oxygen exchange in gills. Like the oxygen and carbon dioxide means gas exchange occurs in the heart because capillaries is present in the heart. So instead of there in the fish, this all process occurs in the gills, means in their lungs. Next is simple circulation pattern. Here like you can see the diagram of the blood circulatory system in fish. Here you can see the pattern of fish circulation is very simple. You can see it is shown very clearly. It means that. Now what is lower blood pressure? It means that when we do any hard work or something hard, so our blood is its pulse rate is and breathing rate is high. You can see blood is pumping very high. But instead of fish, when it moves quickly or do anything hard, its pressure don't increase. It is still there like it was. Next you can see the diagram. In diagram there is blood capillaries. Its artery is long but the vein is small and is only one thing more. In circulatory system of fish diagram, there is only systematic. In double circulation of fish, there is only systematic process, not pulmonary because it is single circulation. That's why. Next we will talk about the circulatory system of frog. So now I will tell you that if an animal have three-chambered hearted, that animal is called incomplete circulation. Like here you can see frog has three-chambered heart. You can see the also diagram. Now mixing of blood occurs, means here the blood mixing occurs and not the gas exchange occurs. Here the blood mixing is occurs instead of gas exchange because it is incomplete circulation. Next is amphibian circulation. Amphibian circulation. Amphibian is very silly, you can say. They are very silly animals, you can say. Lazy type, like a frog. It's moved like very lazy. I hate it. Now, amphibian circulation. It is the frog is this incomplete circulation is also called the amphibian circulation because this type of circulation is only present in the amphibians. Last is moderate pressure system. Here they are saying that, like I tell you, there is low blood pressure in fish, but in frog circulatory system, there is moderate blood pressure. Means there is medium, you can say simple, in middle. Next we will talk about this birds and human circulatory system. Now I will tell you that four-chambered heart. Four-chambered heart is called the complete double circulation. There is no mixing of blood occurs. Okay. Instead of that, there occurs the gas exchange mostly. Okay. Next is efficient oxygen delivery. It means that the oxygen is delivered in the equal way to the all body parts. Next is warm-blooded system. In that they are saying that these type birds and animals are the warm-blooded animals. At last, we will talk about pulse rate. Pulse is the breathe pulse rate. Think of something that you are in summer weather season. You are working out and you feel tired and suddenly you get down. मतलब आप बेहोश हो गए. You are like that. And when we take you to the hospital, we get to know that you have a heart attack. And because of that, they use an emergency patient of room. And there, like the picture I have shown you in the pulse rate, there is a this type of machine that measure your pulse rate, means heartbeat, that how much it is. Like you can see 89, 97 degree, like that. Now pulse rate the pulse rate is the heartbeat felt in the arteries. Understood? It is measured with the help of arteries. If you want to measure your heartbeat by yourself, so take your first two fingers and put it on your neck and quiet for a moment and feel. Something pumps up and down in your neck. That is the artery where the heartbeat is felt. Now in normal adult person, like who is of 20 to 30 years old or 18 to 30 or 29, that person is called the adult person, and its pulse rate start from 60 to the 100 beats per minute. But wait a second, where are you going? We forget about the child and a baby. Baby to the 17 to 18 years old child, pulse rate is starting from 70 to the 100 beats per minute in one day. Next, it increase during exercise, means our pulse rate sometimes increases, like your heart pump fast when you are doing exercise that is very hard. Next is checked at worst or neck. Now neck I have tell you. Worst is means that take your first two fingers and put it on your front side of the hand where the veins you can see. Now when you put it and be quiet for a moment and feel something pump up and down like the neck. That is called the worst checked at the hand. Understood? At last, I will tell you one main thing is that there is also breathing rate and pulse rate both. These are very important for you and you have to take care of that. And this occurs when you are in the puberty form. Now you will be thinking about the puberty. We will get to know it in my next video. Please go to my channel Kitty Vibes Study and view my channel, and you can see what is in puberty in any subject. You can get the things on that. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and please press the bell icon option. I am very happy you watch it. My pleasure. Have a nice day.